Welcome back. The safety of the popular drug Ozempic is headed for a Philadelphia federal court. The first hearing scheduled for tomorrow.
Health reporter Stephanie Stahl says that dozens of people say they were not warned about potential dangers.
When I was in the hospital, I didn't think I was going to make it.
Debbie Kirtz says the diabetes drug Ozempic, that also helps people lose weight, caused a variety of serious side effects.
It gave me H. pylori, the gastroparesis, gastritis, and pancreatitis.
Kirtz is part of a group suing the maker of Ozempic, alleging that Novo Nordisk did not properly warn people about the potential risks.
They've had knowledge of a lot of the side effects and have failed to warn consumers of these side effects, which is just downright scary.
Cassidy West with AVA Law Group says there are currently 55 cases, claims of injuries caused by popular diabetes and weight loss drugs.
We believe that there'll be about 10,000 of these cases, if not more, filed in Pennsylvania.
The multi-district litigation is assigned to federal court here in Philadelphia because of its proximity to Novo Nordisk headquarters in Plainfield, New Jersey. The heavily marketed Ozempic is made with a peptide called semaglutide that helps people feel full, reducing appetite and regulating blood sugar. Its warning label covers a variety of potential side effects. In September of 2023, the FDA expanded the warnings to include intestinal blockages and obstructions. Did you read the warning label that comes with the drug?
Yeah, I just know that I was going to go through some symptoms, but not halfway die.
Kirtz says the doctor who prescribed Ozempic only talked about the potential for minor side effects.
The only thing they would say, oh, the side effects, you might get a little nauseous or nauseated or maybe constipation.
A statement from Novo Nordisk says, in part, the allegations in these lawsuits are without merit. The known risks and benefits of semaglutide are described in the FDA-approved product labeling. Novo Nordisk stands behind the safety and efficacy of all of our medicines when they are used as indicated.
That is a cornerstone of medical practice, is to make sure that our patients are informed of the risks and benefits.
Dr. Tiffany Fleet is an endocrinologist at Penn who has studied Ozempic and prescribes it routinely. She has not been sued in any of these cases. In your opinion, is the drug safe?
Yes, I think under the correct medical supervision, this is a safe medication.
Now tomorrow, a hearing is scheduled where a U.S. district judge will decide how this case will proceed. The beginning of what many say will probably be a very long, drawn-out legal fight on this, and we'll, of course, keep you posted.
Yeah, whatever happens, so the lesson here is you have to check to see what those side effects could be. Thank you so much, Stephanie.